Hey everybody, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. It's a beautiful June morning. It's cool today. I have a taste for some salsa, so I'm gonna pick a couple of tomatoes from the garden, from my tomato patch, and we're gonna make a quick salsa. Here's my first one. So there's a couple of them in here. The birds have been trying to get my tomatoes. I said I better get them today. So here's 3. Let's see. There's a couple more in there. They need to I'm gonna let them ripen. And I picked 3 yesterday, so got these. Let's go get some peppers. So before I get my peppers, I'm gonna pick these 2. A ripe tomato. A bird probably pecked on this one, so I won't eat that. So what I do is put them in the kitchen, and you put them with the this side down. In a couple of days, they'll be just as ripe as this one. I don't see any like jalapenos big enough yet, but I harvested some the other day. Look at my pumpkin. These are going to be smaller pumpkins. These are sugar babies. There's some more coming up. All right, so let's see. Turn you guys around. Gotta be careful, there's frogs back here. Okay, so that's all I need. Okay, family, I just made it back from the garden. Here's my harvest of the day. I got 2 jalapenos, a little cucumber. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tomatoes. Aromas. These are what I'm growing. My focus was on aromas, and then I have some San Marzanos. Now there must have been some different seeds or something, because some of them, I have some tomatoes that are getting pretty big, but this is what I am looking for. This size and this size. So what I do is, once I wash them off, then you put these down, you know, where the stem was, where the root was. Just place it down, put them all together and their gases will, you know, ripen each other, okay? So I'm gonna let them ripen a couple days and then I'm gonna make some salsa.